Hello and welcome to our channel Technofied. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you what WhatsApp is, how to use it, and all about it. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Talking about WhatsApp, it's a messaging app that allows us to send text messages, voice messages, photos, videos, and documents, as well as make voice and video calls over the internet. So let's go ahead and install WhatsApp from the Play Store. Go ahead and open Play Store, go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp Messenger, go ahead and tap on install. So while it is installing, let's go ahead and continue about WhatsApp. It was launched in 2009 and quickly became popular due to its simplicity, reliability, and cross-platform availability, meaning it works on both Android and iOS device, and you can work it and you can use it on your Windows or Mac as well. So some of the key aspects of WhatsApp are free messaging. WhatsApp uses your internet connection to send messages, so it doesn't incur SMS charges. It provides you end-to-end encryption. All communications on WhatsApp are encrypted, meaning only the sender and receiver can read the messages, ensuring a high level of privacy. You can use group chats with up to 1,024 participants in it, making it easy to communicate with a large variation of teams, friends, and family. The WhatsApp status is similar to Instagram stories. You can post photos, videos, or text updates that disappear within 24 hours, just like your Facebook or Instagram story. So you can use WhatsApp on your web or desktop. You can access your WhatsApp account on your computer, allowing for easier typing and multitasking. Voice and video call is there on WhatsApp. It supports voice and video calls, including group calls, making it a versatile communication tool. With over 2 billion users worldwide, WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps, making it easy to connect with people globally. It is owned by Meta, and it continues to evolve with new features aimed at enhancing communication while maintaining user privacy and security. So let's go ahead and open WhatsApp, and as soon as you open WhatsApp, you can see that if you had already opened WhatsApp previously on your phone, the data will be loaded. Talking about the interface, there are things like chats, updates, community, and calls. So I'm just gonna go ahead and talk you through it. So after you open WhatsApp and sign into your account via your phone number, you will get an SMS and you can enter the code and you're all set. Then you can set your profile, so you will find your profile over here on the top on the screen. So you can go ahead and go to settings and find your profile and write down about yourself and set yourself up. Now this is the interface you can see. Some of the things you can see on the interface is the chats, updates, communities, and calls. So let's go ahead and talk about chats. You will see all of your chat details over here. All unread, favorites, groups, everything will come over here and it will appear. So I'm just going to go to my chat with a friend, and you can see the interface. This is the emoji option. You can add all type of stickers, GIFs, and whatnot. You can also create your own sticker and send it to your friend. And if you go here, you can see all of the stickers available at Meta. You can send this to your friend by clicking on this plus icon over here. It'll be added, and you can see some of the sticker packs over here. You can easily add stickers and send them to your friends. So talking about the functionalities, you can see that you can go ahead and text whatever you like and send it to your friend, and you can see this file icon. If you tap on it, you can now attach documents. You can add photos from the gallery or your camera, some type of audios which you want to send, your current location, the contact of your friend or your family or your business member, and you can see the poll. So these are the functionalities of this attached button. If you want to click a photo separately, just go ahead and click on it, and you can see that you can send a photo as well. And you can see the voice record option on the bottom right hand side of your screen. If you want to send a voice record to your friend, you can click on this voice record option and send your voice message. So you can sing a beautiful song to your friend and send it to him or her. on the top right hand side of your corner, you can see the settings option. You can see all of the linked contact, media, links, documents and everything from here. And if you want to video call or voice call with your friend, you can use these button or icon over here. Once they pick your call, you can now start talking with them freely. So if you click on the three dots and you can see the notifications options, you can also mute the friends individually. You can see the options like 8 hours, 1 week and always. You can individually choose the mute notification option. And you can also choose the type of wallpaper you want to keep. So you can see the change option over here. You can see solid colors. You can go ahead and use the color of your choice. Or you can see some of the icons or some of the dark themed photos over here. You can just go ahead and choose a photo, click set wallpaper, and it will be set as your wallpaper only. So they will see a different version and you will be seeing a different version of the chat. If you go to more, you can see that you can report or block this user, and you can clear your chat, export your chat, or add this chat to the desktop or your phone desktop or your phone interface as well. So this is about chat. Talking about the updates, you can see the updates option over here. You will get the status on this bar over here. So this is my friend status over here. So you can check this type of status, and you can also add your status, which will disappear within 24 hours, just like on Instagram and Facebook managed by Meta. So you can see the plus icon over here. You can go ahead and add any photo or videos and post it. You can see some of the channels in this bar over here. Go ahead and tap on explore and you will see other channels. You can go ahead and tap on follow, and now you will be following this channel. If you want to create your own channel, you can see the dot icon on the top. Once you go to updates, you can see create channel option. Go ahead and tap on it and click on continue. Then you can name a channel about your description, add a photo and click on create channel. Then this channel will be created. Now you can see the share channel link option. Just go ahead and tap on share channel link. You can copy the link and send it to your friends via anything or any messenger app. So if you scroll a bit down, you can find more channels and you can join these and you can add friends as well. So guys, talking about communities, these are the communities which are there on the option of WhatsApp. If you want to add more communities, you can do that as well. So you can see this is a community that I created. If you want to create a new community, you can see the new community option. Go ahead and tap on it and click on get started. Now you can name a community. Go ahead and add a photo of your own. You can go ahead and choose any photo you want. Go ahead and click on done. Click next, and you can see the bio of this community. You can change its bio according to your wish. Click next, and the community will be set. Now you can invite other people to the community, and you can see the add group option. You can add a group, or you can create a group of your own as well. So this was talking about the communities. Now you can see the call options. You will see all of your call details over here, whether it's a missed call, a received call, outgoing call, ingoing call, any type of call will appear over here. So this is all about WhatsApp and how to use it. Talking about WhatsApp, it can do a lot of things and it has made our day-to-day life quite easier with the free calls, voice messages, voice chat, status and whatnot to offer to us. I hope this video about how you can use WhatsApp on your Android was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.